Please, we need an order. We're about to start the program. Please behave orderly. Please, let us give out this place. You have welcomed the dignitaries. Please, all of you here, to step down. All of you here. This side, please. Let me kindly invite the NNPP National Chairman, the Tamil Ahmed Ajuji, to open the occasion of the fair.
ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Did you prepare the national anthem? Did you prepare the national anthem? Your Excellencies, dignitaries, ADC Executive, let me rise for the national anthem. Thank you very much, Excellencies. You can sit down. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome our dignitaries, the National Working Committee and the Party Executive of African Democratic Congress. It is time to invite the leader. Please, we let's face here at the front of the podium. Students, if you could make it, please, more enjoyment. Crowd, please. Even the students are beginning their ability in this occasion. Okay, this is Kano, this is from Kasia, and we are together with His Excellency Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. Yes, let us stay there, please. Now, listen to His Excellency Kwankwaso, please. Listen to him, please.
al'ummar nan ko a zaune ko a tsaye kowa ya sauka ku sauka su kirki ta kan ku ajiye wata ‘yan Kano da suke kai da security su sauka wannan sauka security get down please everybody get down security ‘yan Kano get down anybody from Kano should get down on this chair please His Excellency the former governor of Benue State, a senator and the chairman of ADC. I'm also using this opportunity to invite His Excellency Senator Amina Tongwan. He is here with us. His Excellency Peter Obi. His Excellency the Secretary of ADC, Alec Bosola, the former governor of Osun State. You guys are very energetic, very sober, very calm. In our presence, we have Nangamanak Dora, but now Nangamanak Konkosia. His Excellency Rotimi Amechi. Also using this opportunity to invite the Malino Atanama Chairman Elders of Northwest ABC to the opening remarks. A former Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now to the opening remarks. We are also calling the former chairman of ABC, our senior elder Chief Onyegun, John Onyegun. The national chairman of NNPP, Dr. Ahmed Ajuji. Ladies and gentlemen, in our presence, we have our senior elder, Dr. Lawan Imoke. Lian Imoke is a former governor also, and a statesman. We also use this opportunity to call Dr. Bolaji Abdullahi. Dr. Bolaji Abdullahi. Then we are welcoming Emeka Edoha. Emeka Edoha. Let the people of Kano see. We are also inviting the Kashim Imam. Sir Kashim Imam. Sir Kashim Imam. We also want to use this opportunity to call the former Secretary of the Federal Government, Babachin Lawan. Babachin Lawan. We are also inviting former DG, DSS, Londora is also here, so we are safe. I want to also introduce our own Bishop Isaac Idaposa. I'm also inviting former Deputy Governor of Jigawa, Lawan Kulkuli. Are you around? Are you present? Okay, Baba Chillawan, you want to say hi to the people of Kano? This is our senior and Baba Chillawan, the former Secretary to the Federal Government. Senator Sabana Kudi is also here with us. Senator Sabana Kudi. Is also here with us. I'm also calling for Aleko Jumbo. Aleko Jumbo, can you wave your hands so that people can see you? I'm also inviting Aleko Ibrahim Alolitil. Aleko Ibrahim Alolitil. And I mean little. The Indaba is also here with us. Dr. Awar is also here with us. And also the chairman of ABC Fellow, Musa Ogogo, is also here with us. So without wasting more time, let me call Madam Lord Matera for the welcome address.